Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my video. So this video is going to be on replacing the starter on a 2004 Mini Cooper. So here's the thing. If you guys like me, you guys probably looked at videos just to see, what's out there as far as, instructions step by step on how to do the starter. So funny enough, I mean, the videos that I watched, it didn't really tell you exactly where to take the starter out from. And this other guy said that, the job was pretty hard. It took him 3 hours, etc., etc. But the only issues that I had with this job was um, the bolts. They were pretty tight. The bottom bolt, I had to use a torch to loosen it and then break it. That was one of the major problems that I ran into. The other issue was how to take it out, where you can take it out. A lot of people, apparently, a lot of people were taking the bolts off the air intake manifold, and you know, you know, and taking the starter out from that way. But let me assure you guys that you can actually take the starter out without taking the air intake manifold. There is an O2 sensor plug that you guys would have to disconnect on the manifold itself. Once you disconnect it, as far as the heat shields are concerned, there's two heat shields. All you got to do is just bend it. Once you bend it, you could go in there and pretty much maneuver the starter out and put the new starter in, and it'll sit there like that. It wasn't a super difficult job. Now I will say that the bolts, they're pretty tight. I did have an extension, a specialized extension with me. So, but if you guys don't have that tool, you guys could take the tire off from the passenger side, pretty much get an extension, put it, and take those two bolts out. Or you can do it. You could do the first bolt out from the top. You could do that, but getting access to them, if you have extensions, then it's not that hard to do. The most difficult thing is, um, on that job, the most difficult thing was breaking the bolts. I did spend some time just making sure that the bolt wasn't rounded off. That I didn't round the bolts off trying to take it off. The first one, the one on top, came off. It was very tight, but I was still able to break it. The one on the bottom took a lot of effort, and it took a lot of effort because I was trying as carefully as I could, uh, not to not to round out the bolt. All right, so you guys gotta have the exact socket size for it. I eventually had to take the tire off the passenger side, stick an extension, long extension, a couple extensions, all the way to the bolt, and cranked it. Even that didn't work, so I had to take a torch. I used PB Blast. I took a torch from the bottom. From the bottom, I actually put some heat on it, and eventually it did break with some effort. It was very, very difficult as far as breaking is concerned. You guys might want to get some bolt extractors for this job if you guys don't have it. And you guys want to be careful to have the socket sit exactly on the bolt. And when you turn it, you got to push it in to have it seated exactly on the bolt, because you do not want to round that bolt off where it's at, because then you would have like a really, really big a problem. All right, so the most difficult part of the job was how tight the bolt was, and you guys will need extensions for it. All right, guys, so that's my video. Hope this has helped you guys out. You guys can take it out from the top without taking the manifold off. All right, guys, take care.